Over, Overview and organization of computer. Introduction. History and the development of computer help the student to kindly abuse the evolution of the computer. The unit describe different part of computer and their working and condition among each other in including different composition of the computer like bus parts microscope means memory object. After completing this unit, the subject will be able to describe history and development of computer, different guidance of the computer, classify different type of computer, have knowledge about application and different part of computer, history and development of computer. The word history means of a achieve activate of the event and the have a been passed away. The history of computer describe the advancement and growth of computer technology. It is a divided to different and has been two starting from prehistory here. Prehistory Prehistory year 4th current base BAC to 1930. Abuse machine. The abuse is a machine's device which can perform basic analytic problem like addition etc. This was the first machine invention in fourth century. Nefaria brought the joint technology and machines improved invention logo in 1614 which was able to perform multiplication and device Visual Secret built a machine calculator in 1623 which was able to perform the process of multiple the device port 6 digit compressed. Basically Basic principle is a fresh mathematic built in a machine calculated in the 1642 which could add be subscribed to number directly manually and device by recipe to device supported 8-bit concept. Crucial budget. The crucial budget is a different type of 1920 we could performs mathematically and station table to 1842 curricular budget include and the device which is name of analytic begins machines computer that was able to perform the basic mathematically problem and equation speed of a 16 addition from per minute condition of computer which is progress of time of server change we should make to computer technology to meet the challenge of the age. The change of modifications are classified into different periods and later on these periods we are name of generation of the first generation of computer 1951 to 1958. My first generation computer used to vacuum the tube technology. Vacuum tube we like figures glasses tube which concept are more electronic due to more glow time. First generation computer also used to periods to card to magnification and tab to an output device manager type of we which use access large data but they process is quality. This question process called batch processing technology we data was processing in information of build of batch. The first generation could read of machine compressed which is compressed is a beginner of 0 or 1 quote later than assessment assessment which include use special name instruction of code memory.